Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is a recipe for crispy fried beef. It's very simple when you want a quick and easy starter, and I hope you love this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients to make this crispy beef. Here I have got 400 grams of beef cut into thin strips. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. For egg wash, into a bowl add an egg, a pinch of salt and pepper. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Whisk and keep it aside. In another bowl, add 1 cup of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well, set it aside. Another bowl, add a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Our beef is little wet, we want it dry so that the batter will stick and stay on it. Now let's coat the beef strips with the seasoned flour. Shake off the excess, dip into the egg wash. Allow excess egg wash to drip off, then coat it with the breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs give a nice texture. If it's not available, use the regular breadcrumbs. I'll finish up with the rest of the beef and I'll show you. Our beef strip is ready to be fried. Place a pan over medium heat. Add enough oil for frying. Once the oil is hot, add the beef. Fry them until they turn golden brown. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Beef is cooked. Nice golden brown crispy beef. Remove it from the pan. I'll fry the rest of the beef. Do try this simple beef recipe and let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. There you have it, crispy beef. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.